Hey dear Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your monthly reading for single Sagittarius for the month of November. So as you are seeing that I have already shuffled card and spread them out because I have done reading before. So please first let me tell you what cards are. 8 of Swords, 8 of Pentacle, Page of Pentacle, 9 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle. Outcome cards are 7 of Pentacle, the Moon and the 5 of Pentacle. And underneath the deck you are having Strength card, King of Pentacle and Two of Swords. So you have to make a decision for someone. Maybe you are dealing here with a King of Pentacle, Earth sign person. So Earth sign person से आपको डील करना है यहाँ. और there is someone who is a sign person, so you have to make a decision about this person. Maybe finances are coming in your way now. You are getting strength and you are getting financially strong. Then you have to make a decision about someone to make this person come to make this person come towards you and to build a relationship with this person. But I'm seeing here that you are stuck in something. You are not able to let this thing away from you, which is stopping you to go this person. Something stopping you, something is stuck. You are thinking that you are stuck in your life. You are not able to move forward in your love life, but you have to work hard for this. You have to work hard. Maybe you have to earn more money to get this person, and you are stuck that you are thinking that you cannot earn that much money. Maybe if it's a money problem between you, so you think that this money problem will not solve. This is your mind thought. But if you work hard, you will get the money and you will be self-sufficient, and you can get this person in your love life as a family, and you can build a family with this person. So you have to leave behind these negative thoughts, and you have to work hard. And I am seeing that if it's a person you are dealing with, it's a hard sign, and this person has to work a lot to get you in your life. So you want them to be a self-sufficient and independent in their finances. Then you will enter with this person in a love relationship or maybe in a marriage relationship. So I'm seeing here that or maybe you think in your love life you have to work hard alone. Your person is not maybe that the person you want to enter in a love relationship. This person is not interested to build a relationship with you, but this is your mind thought. But you will get a news from this person that now it's a time that this person is independent now. If this person is already committed with someone, but now this person is single, and you can enter with this person in a relationship or in a family relationship. So outcome is that Seven of Pentacles, the Moon and Five of Pentacles. Here also are two Pentacle cards. Lot of Pentacle cards here. So there is definitely a financial situation between you people. Or if you think that you are thinking that this relationship will not work out, but you will get a news and message from this person, and you will get a news. With this news will change everything, and you will be happy, independent and self-sufficient, and will enter in the love relationship with this person. And outcome is also seeing that whatever you had worked hard here, you will get a reward, and you have to leave this confusion behind. And you will leaving this confusion behind. It's not a separation card. If it's a separation card, if it's a financial situation, and you think that things will not move forward if you offer a commitment to this person, So you will leave this relationship, this person, and will not enter any relationship. But if it's a situation that you are fearing that things will not move forward, so you have to leave this fear behind. You have to leave this fear behind, because I'm seeing that in underneath the deck you are starting something new, fresh with this person, because it's a 4 of 1 card. So you are having a commitment with this person, a relationship with this person, which will build in a solid foundation. So you people will be happy in the end if you left this confusion behind, or if you were doing business before you have started a business, and you are thought that you are stuck, you are not earning money from this business. So you have to work hard for this, and money will come to you in the end of the month. So Sagittarius, that was your reading for the month of November. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.